Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing Pushpa The Rise Part 1. Pushpa The Rise Part 1 is a pan-India movie. It has been released in Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam and Hindi. I watched the Telugu version of Pushpa The Rise Part 1 and I'll be reviewing the same. Pushpa The Rise Part 1 has Allu Arjun, the stylish star Allu Arjun in the lead role as Pushpa alias Pushparaj, and we also have his lady love Rashmika Mandana. We also have Fahad Fasil Fafa in a very important role. Pushpa The Rise Part 1 was one of the most awaited movies of this year. The teaser of the movie, the songs of the movie, and also the trailer had created a lot of expectations about this movie. And it was not only expected to be a magnum opus, but also was expected to become a blockbuster super hit coming from the desk of the director Sukumar. Sukumar and Allu Arjun were expected to create a very good magic from Pushpa The Rise, and I should tell after watching the movie and with the crowd response, the crowd cheering, whistling and also jumping in joy as they watched every frame of the movie, every frame in which Allu Arjun came, that particular frame in which Allu Arjun is tipped against Fahad Fasil and lot of other action sequences and also the dance numbers. I should tell that Pushpa The Rise really rose to the expectations. Not to the best of expectations, but really it rose to a big part of expectations. As far as I am concerned, I should tell I had a very good big screen experience watching Pushpa The Rise, and Pushpa The Rise is definitely a cinematic experience. Now let me straight away jump into the plot of the movie. Pushpa is the story of Pushpa alias Pushparaj, who is a coolie, and his journey towards becoming a big smuggler. In fact, Pushparaj ends up becoming the chief of the Red Sandalwood smuggling syndicate. Obviously, it was expected in the journey of Pushparaj, he had to make a few enemies, and he did make plenty of enemies en route. Leave out the enemies and villains of Pushparaj, he also made an enemy with a hardcore police officer. So Pushpa on one side has villains and also enemies in his own profession, and on another side he has a hardcore cop standing against him. A cop who is as strong as Pushpa in his attitude and is hell-bent on catching Pushpa, not only catching Pushpa but finishing Pushpa. Along with this, we have a parallel track in which we are shown the love story of Pushparaj, that is the love story of Allu Arjun and his love interest Rashmika Mandana. So it is a Allu Arjun movie. We have lots of action, we have good dance numbers, we have powerful punch dialogues, strong emotions and a little bit of comedy. All these components beautifully woven and stitched together make up Pushpa The Rise Part 1, which also promises at the end of the movie that Pushpa Part 2 also will be coming very soon. Now let me come to the strong points of Pushpa The Rise Part 1. Who else other than Allu Arjun would be the strongest point and the selling point of Pushpa The Rise? Undoubtedly, it is an out and out Allu Arjun movie. Just when you see Pushpa The Rise, you can see Allu Arjun being present in almost 90 to 92% of the frames. That shows the dominance of Allu Arjun in the movie and how much the director has banked on a single character named as Allu Arjun, who plays the role of Pushpa to make this movie a blockbuster and to mint money at the box office. And if Pushpa is a blockbuster, if it earns plenty of money, it is just due to the charismatic presence of Allu Arjun. And coming to the character of Allu Arjun as Pushparaj, he is brilliant, he is excellent. Every frame in which he comes is a visual blow moment for his fans. Such a powerful persona is Allu Arjun and such a screen presence he has. And in Pushpa The Rise, director Sukumar has carved out a single character of Allu Arjun in the form of Pushpa, not giving importance to any other characters in the movie. So it obviously makes the other actors, other cast ensemble as guest appearances in the movie. Allu Arjun in the form of Pushparaj has been given a raw and rustic look, and it is one of the fantastic roles Allu Arjun has played in his career. Pushpa will go in the history books of Allu Arjun in his movies, that it is one of the stupendous roles that Allu Arjun has portrayed on the screen, and the credits goes to not only Allu Arjun but also to Sukumar for beautifully writing his character. That bearded face, that swag, that lift of his shoulder, that style with which he presents himself, the dance moves, the delicate and gentle and very good dance moves he makes, and the action sequences in which he is involved, and every bit of emotions he brings in his expressions and every bit of expressions he brings in his emotions is just superb. And more than everything, the different presentation of Allu Arjun and also the voice modulation which has been given to him, I just loved these aspects of Allu Arjun's character. We can see Pushpa as an overambitious person, we can see him as an opportunist, at the same time he is optimistic and also courageous. The modulation and transitions in the role of Allu Arjun in the movie is just superb. The journey of Allu Arjun as Pushparaj, and at every step of his journey, ascending the ladder. So we are shown Pushparaj is interested in a small ladder which takes him to a great success. While ascending the ladder, the attitude, the grace, and also the working brain he uses has been picturized beautifully. We are shown that Pushpa is a cool guy, yet while at task, he will be 10 steps ahead and he will be definitely planning in his mind what he is going to do next and what he is going to achieve out of it. So the life plan of Pushpa is very, very clear. He has a blueprint in his mind and he is working according to that. So Pushpa is a man of plan and man of mission, what we are shown on the screen. So Pushpa has a calculative brain and is also very cunning in nature. You'll just love the journey of Pushparaj in the movie. And in every frame, you will just fall in love with Allu Arjun more and more and more. Now let me come to the next part of my review. The other cast ensemble is also good. We have very powerful cast ensemble in and around Allu Arjun as Pushparaj, but those characters have not been explored well by the director. I felt it was intentional. If we think those characters will be magnified and be explored in the second part, I just doubt about it. As we are shown towards the end of the movie, the second part, that is Pushpa the Rule, also will have Allu Arjun ruling. Just look at the name of the title of the second part also, Pushpa the Rule. In this particular first part, it is Pushpa the Rise. Already the star has risen. And in the second part, he is going to rule. So no other characters will be explored. They will continue into the second part, but it will be Allu Arjun who will be ruling again. And I feel the second best character who will go from the first part into the second part will be Fahad Fasil, and it will be Allu Arjun versus Fahad Fasil for the most of the second installment of Pushpa the Rule. Now, let me tell something about the character of Fahad Fasil. His character is very, very interesting in the movie. You can see Fahad Fasil coming in the last part of the movie, that is towards the last half an hour, when you just start thinking that the movie has ended and the climax of the movie is already there in and around. And when you have forgotten that Fahad Fasil is even there in the movie, the director introduces the character of Fahad Fasil as cop. Director Sukumar has kept the best to the last, and you need to wait and see those scenes, those moments where Allu Arjun and Fahad Fasil are having face off. When both these characters come face to face and when they're tipped against each other, then you'll start feeling, yes, Allu Arjun has a strong opponent now. Fahad Fasil, brilliant in the movie. Rashmika Mandana plays the lady lead in the movie. She doesn't have a lengthy role, but she has done justice to her role. She is also presented with a raw look and just she syncs with the tempo and the mood of the movie. We also have Dhananjaya from Kannada film industry. He's a fantastic actor, but his character has also not been explored too much. I wished Sukumar could have worked out on Dhananjaya's character even better. Let's wait and see if Dhananjaya gets a meaty role in the second part. We also have Sunil playing the role of the villain, and he is fantastic. What to tell about Sunil? Ajay Ghosh, Ajay, Anusuya, Rao Ramesh, and the list goes on. Fantastic actors. They have all those characters, all those actors have petty roles, small roles. They fit well into their roles, but their roles have not been explored. Now, the next strongest point is the cinematography and the direction of photography. It is stupendous. You need to watch and experience Pushpa the Rise on the big screen to just experience the wonderful cinematography. Just watch out for those forest scenes. And the background score and background music, what should I tell? Fantastic background music throughout the length of the movie. The background music fits with the different, it comes with the different frames, it comes with the different moods and emotions and syncs well with every frame of the movie. I should not forget about the action choreography. Action scenes are choreographed brilliantly. Of course, you have a mixture of fast motion and slow motion pictures in the action sequences, but you will definitely enjoy the action sequences in the movie. Coming to the music and songs of the movie, Devi Sri Prasad has composed the music. The music is brilliant and good. Songs are good, not very good. There are good dance numbers, but they sync with the mood of the movie. In a couple of songs, you can see a touch of vulgarity, but you can also call it as raw and just roll it out. Again, without giving any spoilers, the last 20-25 minutes of the movie is just awesome, and it builds up the pace and also the platform for the second part of Pushpa. When mentioning all these things, I need to mention the captain of the ship. Sukumar has done a brilliant work in directing this movie, Pushpa. But I should tell, he has been a little partial, over partial towards Allu Arjun. He has just written, scripted and molded the character of Pushparaj for Allu Arjun in its magnanimity, but at the same time, he has ignored to shape up the other characters of the movie. But the direction of the movie is superb. Now let me come to the negativities of the movie. The story, I should tell, is more or less predictable, and there is nothing new in the movie, but it gives a fresh look and fresh feel. So the story of Pushpa has a little bit of positivity and a little bit of negativity also. Other negativity is the length of the movie. If you're not used to watch big length movies, this movie Pushpa the Rise runs for roughly it is around 3 hours movie, and some people may feel that it is testing the patience, but I did not frankly feel the length to be a major hindrance for me in watching the movie. But 3 hours sitting in the theater and watching the movie, and the middle part of the movie is a little bit slow and sluggish. There you will feel probably the length should have been curtailed. I too felt that if the movie would have been trimmed by at least 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, it would have been good. Just the director would have brought the movie to around 2 hours 35 minutes. That should have been a good length. 3 hours is too much, but from my perspective, I did not feel the difference. The editing of the movie and special effects definitely come in the negativities of the movie. Most part of the special effect of the movie looks to be done in a hurry, and same is the case with editing. The next negative point I would like to address is the hero worship. So Sukumar undoubtedly has made this movie for Allu Arjun fans, and Allu Arjun's character, as I've been repeating, is really magnanimous and has been crafted really well, and the other characters have just been buried under Allu Arjun's character. At the point of interval, Allu Arjun tells, do you think Pushpa is a flower? No, Pushpa is fire. And we have many such powerful dialogues in the movie. Why I mentioned this particular dialogue is when you see that Pushpa is a brilliant smuggler, if you see his working brains, if you see his calculative mind, so at whatever task he is, his calculative mind is always working. And if Pushpa weren't only fire, if Pushpa would have been a balance of flower and fire, and if the character of Pushpa weren't in the forest, we would have found a wonderful entrepreneur in the form of Pushpa the entrepreneur. Having said that, I would definitely rate Pushpa the Rise as a very good mirch masala mass entertainer. If you are a Allu Arjun fan, you will definitely not miss watching Pushpa, and you will not complain about anything. When you watch Pushpa, you can see all the hard work which has been put in the movie. It is a good cinematic experience which need to be watched on the big screen. If you don't mind the length of the movie, just book your tickets, go to the theater and have a wonderful experience called Pushpa the Rise. On my scoreboard, I would give 7.5 out of 10 for Pushpa the Rise Part 1. And yes, fingers crossed and in keen wait for Pushpa the Roll when it happens. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.